Hi guys, it's Debbie. I am so excited to be sharing with you the July 2021 new releases from Spellbinders. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Debbie and I love to make and share lots and lots of crafty things because if I can make it, you can too. Many of you guys know that I'm pretty new to the Spellbinders influencer club group. I think I said that right. In addition though to creating from some of the new kits, they've also asked me to make and share some things using some of the new release products, and I'm going to be sharing a lot of that with you today. I'm not sharing what I've made on this video. I'm going to just share what I received. Those other videos with the creations of those cards is going to be coming up real soon, and then once I get all of those uploaded, I'll leave a playlist for you guys right up here. You guys have a wonderful day, and let's go ahead and get over to that video. Hi guys, I don't know if you all know, but there was a new Christmas in July release from Spellbinders, and I'm a little bit behind on getting some projects done on that. I had planned on getting them done before the new release, but of course I had too much other stuff I needed to get done too, so I'm sorry about that. So I'm going to go ahead today and share with you what all of the products are that I received anyway in this release that I'm going to be creating some projects on. The first of which I've already made a couple of cards using this cute little set. The set is called Friendly Snowmen. And let me get it out so you can see it a little bit better without all of the glare from my packaging. It's got these cute little snowmen. So I went ahead and stamped and colored each of those snowmen up and used one of the glimmer plates I already had for the background snow, and I just think these are adorable. And I'll be honest with you, I like them so much that I also went ahead and tried out my my artistry set using one of those and made this cute little sublimated bookmark using the same stamp. Now, you know that with sublimation, it basically is the opposite direction, so it's still the same little snowman, but it's stamped on there in a different direction, and this is not coming off, so that is kind of cool. But anyway, I decided to use one of my new stamps for that, and it looks like I either didn't clean well or got it a little stained already on that one. Anyway, that is the first of the stamp sets. These other items I have not used yet. This first one is on back order, not available until the end of the month, and this one is Holiday Gnomes. It is similar to an older set, but it's got those three cute little gnomes and tree and some nice sentiments. Then we've got Home for Christmas sentiments. So these would be good for either on the inside of the card, or you could create a focal image with that. Okay, I'm going to pause for just a second, and I'd like to ask that if you like this video, please go ahead and smash that like button, and be sure to also subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. And we've got some dies. I've got the holiday decorations, which are these snowflakes and and ornaments and stars. Yes, and then the toppers for each of the ornaments, and then we've got all these nice little sentiments. We've got Christmas, Merry, Happy Holidays, Warm Wishes, and I think that one is Greetings. It's hard to read backwards. Anyway, we've got all of those. And then we've got this glimmer set, which is a string lights background that it's a glimmer plate, so you can do in all your wonderful foil, a nice pretty foiled background. And still have more. We've got another die set. This one is Oh Christmas Tree, and it gives you this nice etched Christmas tree and ornaments and such to go on that. And then we've got another big glimmer plate set. This one is mini Christmas sentiment strips, and it's got a little bit of everything in there. Christmas greetings from our house to yours. Give thanks this season. Joyful blessings for all. Again, I'm trying to read these backwards and upside down. Missing you under the mistletoe. Well, that's kind of cool. But it's got a lot of real cool little Christmas sentiments. I mean, it's a ton. You can have a different sentiment on every card. And then we've got this one, which is the Kaleidoscope Argyle Etched Dies. Now this one is kind of cool. I'm starting on a project with this one. It is a layering set for that diamond shape, and then you put everything together, you can create an Argyle pattern. But you can also do other things with it. So these are the things that I am currently playing with. And I plan on having at least a couple of videos up showing the process of all of those. I will have pictures of everything on my blog and over on Instagram, so be sure to check those out. And that is it for now. Let me show you one more time this cute little guy. I love the way that this card turned out. And I stamped him on the inside too. So anyway, thanks guys. You have a wonderful day. Once I get those other videos up, I will go ahead and leave a link for them here for you. And you have a wonderful holiday season. I know, it's early. It's Christmas in July. Have a great one, guys. And if I can make it, you can too.